Welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you clear the cache on Android. First of all, you have to do that is you have to make sure some settings to do that. First of all, you have to go to settings, just tap on settings and just make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. So I'm going to connect with the Wi-Fi. I'm going to go back and just go to the Google Chrome and just select a new tab from here and just tap on plus icon and just go to the three dots and just go to the history and just wait for a second, and you have to delete all of the history from that. Just delete browsing history and just delete all of all time and just delete it and just wait for a second. After that, just go back and just go to your settings and just search storage, STORA storage. So search it and just wait for a second, and you have to delete the unwanted data from your mobile, and it's also a cache. You have to just delete. If you have a duplicate data, just delete it. If you have a large files, you have to delete it if you don't need it. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.